In this video, we will demonstrate how to quickly assign risks to tasks or resources using the drag and drop view. Once we have identified risks and added risks to the risk register, the next step is to assess them. We assess risks by assigning them to tasks or resources with a probability of occurrence and potential impacts to schedule or cost. The quickest way to assign risks is in the drag and drop view. It is a split screen view which displays your list of risks on the left and the project activities or resources on the right. To assign a risk to an activity or a resource, select one or more activities or resources. Next, left-click on the risk you want to assign and drag it over onto the selection. In this view, you can assign a specific probability that the risk will take place, as well as schedule and cost outcomes if the risk was to occur. For both schedule and cost outcomes, there are multiple outcome types depending on how you want to define the impact of the risk. Often, a risk will have impacts on more than one activity. In this case, you can select multiple activities using the Control or Shift keys. When you drag a risk over the selections, the risk will be assigned to all selected activities or resources. In addition, if you select a summary activity, all the subtasks will automatically be included in the risk assessment.